folks, I'm here to talk about how to make some good grilled cheese sandwich. First, you want to take the oven and set it for 300 degrees for 5 minutes so that it can heat up. Then you want to add some butter to your bread. Any kind of butter is good. I like challenge butter. Then you want to take your cheese, put it across one side, and if you want to have meat on it, then you can add your meat on the other side. Then you want to put it back in the oven for like 3 minutes so that the cheese will melt. Set your timer. You want it to melt. After 3 minutes, you want to take your sandwich out of the oven, turn the oven off, put the sandwich together. Ooh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Then, I'm going to show you how to make some good tea. You want to use half and half iced tea with lemonade. Take 4 teaspoons of this. Put it in your cup. Then take your water. Put it in your cup with your ice. And this is called good lemonade iced tea. Now this is a perfect lunch. Arnold Palmer.